We are all different. I have straight hair. I have wavy hair. I have curly hair. I have afro hair. I have light skin. I have dark skin. I have a birthmark. I have freckles. I live with my two dads. I live with my grandpa. I live with my mum. I live with my mum and dad. I have a cat. I have a goldfish. I have a tortoise. I have an ant farm. I have two big brothers. I have no brothers or sisters. I have a twin. I have a little sister. I speak Portuguese. I speak Bengali. I use sign language. I speak Swahili. I like bananas. I like apples. I like grapes. I like strawberries. I do ballet. I play football. I play basketball. I do gymnastics. I like writing. I like music. I like art. I like maths. I like green. I like pink. I like rainbow colours. I like black. I like sunshine. I like rain. I like wind. I like snow. We are all different. We are all friends. There are lots of people in the world and all of them are different. We are all different. We are all friends. There's no one quite like you. What makes you special?